Nora and Triton sat by a log. They puzzled and wondered, toad or frog? Both hop about and both love to sing. They croak out their calls, a song they both bring. Both soak up a drink through their skin every day, but frogs love the water in a bigger way. Are they the same or different in kind? That's the big question they had on their mind. Nearby in the pond, two friends overheard. Rani just smiled, but Bufo was stirred. His eyes gave a glare, his cheeks gave a puff. Being called frog was simply too much.
I'm Bufo the toad. I get no respect. They call me a frog. I can't stand that. I'm warty and bumpy, a rough-looking fellow. But really I'm harmless, just calm and mellow. I hang by the garden, the forest, the log. I'm not splashing round like some slippery frog.
He's grumpy being called a frog. That's his mode. All toads are frogs, but not all frogs are toads. I'm Rani the frog. My strength is elite. My legs are like springs. Hey, Bufo makes a good seed.
You're lucky I like ya, or I'd splatter you with goo. I don't leap much, but I can in a crunch.
Hey, easy there, Bufo. You gave me a flight. Didn't think toads could jump with such might. It's good to be splashing. The water's our drink. It soaks through our skin quicker than you think.
Time to puff out.
Puff with us, Harper, Chloe, and Grace. Show us your best big puffy face. Two friends puff it out with laughter and cheer, their puffy dance ending the tale right here.